What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview. Guys, today we got it. New all-time highs. Actually happening after hours right now, or excuse me, during this Globex Open, but pretty much got that very nice push on up higher. We were watching and waiting for this to develop, right? Break over this structure that we had got here, going here on the daily. It happened very nicely and now playing out right in front of our eyes. On to the data. We know we've got jobless claims tomorrow morning. And I believe it's NFP is going to be later in the week here. I think I'm on the wrong than I normally am on. But tomorrow is jobless claims. Yeah, jobless claims all we have to worry about for tomorrow. Friday, we do have data, but data 30 minutes after the market open, and then really nothing to worry about after that. Let's go to the charts here now. Going to be pretty straightforward, I think. Breaking over these all-time highs, if we can get a day two of buying action. I mean, ideally, we just want to see a back test and hold of basically 43.50-ish area. We still have to clear up above this 43.68. But to me, 43.48, as long as that holds, I'm going to look to take this thing to continue on up here on ES and Q. Definitely made new highs today. Love to see it. This thing was pushing, pushing, pushing. I think this level here we're going to want to pay attention to is really going to be more so of this zone in here, this 18,970, right? 18,970, as long as that zone holds. I think, or 19,000, you can call it. I do believe we will just continue to push on up higher there. So bulls really don't want anything lower than that. We'll keep that bullish structure moving on up from there. Going to sound like a broken record because SPY and QQQ are doing the same thing here. So, let's see these previous all-time highs 433.70, right? 433.70, almost 434. If we can backtest and hold that, that would be great. And we don't want anything lower than 532. 532. We don't want anything lower than that, but 433.70. Watch for that zone. See if we can continue higher. QQQ is going to be the same thing, right? 461. 461 has to hold, 461, 462. That zone in there has to hold. If we get a back test and go, that's what we're going to be watching for there. Anything underneath that, we easily come back down, test about 5 points lower, and search for some liquidity. Last but not least here, IWM. IWM, right? Not wanting to get our gap fill area starting to upset me. Nonetheless, though, if we can back test and hold 203.50 for a higher low, then I would definitely look to target 207, 209. From there, I think yesterday I made mention of Zoom, Zoom, Zoom to you guys. Had some continuation. Looks like it wants to start and try higher from here, right? We talked about this flag out. If you're able to get in, you had some nice green on this trade. I do think 65 is going to be coming. And there is a lot more upside here. So we're looking forward to that. Other than that, guys, you got to wake up early, get your levels right. Of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.